Welcome back to my channel, and we will be touring one of these units right behind me. What we have here are units of 5-bedroom duplexes, 2 of them actually, this one and where I am standing. Each unit is 400 square meter plot size, and these units are located within the Ikate Lekki axis in an exclusive community. So if exclusivity and serenity happens to be something you desire, then this has to be the right property you're looking for. So in a bit, we're going to go inside to take a look at one of these units and see what we have in stock for you here. Before we go in, do well to give me a thumbs up on this video, subscribe and like this video if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, so that when we upload the subsequent videos, you'll be among the very first to receive it. Okay, so come on with me, let's go have a tour of this luxury. So once you come in, what meets or greets your eyes is this massive entrance door. This is a 3 meters door. It's beautiful, and it welcomes you to your entire room. And to my right here is the guest room. It comes ensuite. We're still working, so you can see the scaffolds are still here because we are yet to complete the final phase of the work. At the moment, what we're doing is installation of wardrobes and then cabinets. This house is going to come with a fully fitted kitchen. It's coming with a swimming pool, ample parking spaces, and yes, welcome to your kitchen. Our men are working to make sure that we give you the best of delivery when it comes to your property. Okay, so like I said, it's going to come with a fully fitted kitchen, lots of storage spaces, a side-by-side refrigerator. It's also coming with a cooker, a washing machine. The oven and microwave have already been prefixed here. So the gas cooker installation is currently ongoing. Beautiful storage spaces, tons of them. And also here is your pantry. The cabinet in your pantry has already been prefixed, so we're still doing the finishing touches to it. So on the ground floor, what we basically have on the ground floor is the living room, the guest room, the visitor's toilet, and then the kitchen. Okay, so we're going to go upstairs to see what the first floor and the second floor looks like. So come, let's go check them out. Okay, so we're here on the first floor of this beautiful luxury home we're showing you today. So on this first floor, we have 3 bedrooms. This first floor comes with 3 bedrooms. Over here, if you look directly there, you see a door. That door takes you, that's the first bedroom that you get to sight on this floor. And you can see also there is a lounge here, quite sizable, very big. Do not forget, what you're getting here is a quality delivery with the best of materials in the market. These are top-notch materials. So like I mentioned to you, if serenity, comfort and luxury is your language, then this house is for you. Okay, so this is the second bedroom on this floor. Each and every room comes with its own terrace sit out. Over there is the terrace, okay, of this particular room, and right here is another room. This room also has its own terrace. All rooms are ensuite. All rooms are ensuite. So it means, remember, we have already toured the first floor, the ground floor, where we have the living room and also the guest room. Okay, so on the from here we're going to be going up to go and see the topmost floor, which is the penthouse. And on the penthouse is where we have the primary bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Quite massive as well. I am so excited and I'm looking forward to showing you what that master bedroom looks like, because I know you're definitely going to be blown away. Okay, do not forget, my name is Joy. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to do so. Give us a subscription right now. Hit the bell notification so that you get to be notified every time we post a beautiful house sightings like this. Okay. Come, let's go top and see the remaining part of this house. I'm sure you're waiting to see what it looks like. Okay, now let's go up to see what we have on the 10th floor. Okay, I'm so excited, and I'm super excited. I can't wait for you to view the master bedroom. We're here at the penthouse. So this 10th floor houses just the master bedroom and two massive rooftop terraces, one to my right here. So let's first view this one. Let's look at what this first terrace here looks like. This is quite amazing. I'm so blown away. This is big. You can literally hold a party here, a sit out here. This is massive. This is quite big, very spacious. From here you can have a view of your neighborhood. Let's go see the second rooftop terrace or cantilever on this. Oh, okay, welcome to your master bedroom. Okay, from here, once you come in, you get to see the closet. Your closet on two ways. Okay, so there has been attention to detail here. So you have both your closet for your shoes, your shoe rack, and then your clothing and every other thing you need to put in here. Okay, so the master bedroom is quite massive. We cannot gain access to the toilet and bath. Is been locked because work is still ongoing. Okay, your master bedroom has your massive closet, both for your shoes, for every item or any of your personal items. Okay, so this is a master bedroom, very massive. This is the door to the toilet and bath, but we can't gain access to it because it's been locked. this is the rooftop, the second rooftop terrace of this house. It's quite big and beautiful. Very big. So if you're one that is a lover of luxury and serenity, this again is your next investment address. Do not hesitate to give us a call right now. Let's help you seal this deal. So we have come to the end of this tour today. If this ticks your boxes, if this house looks like what you want to add into your investment portfolio, call us right away on the number showing on the screen. My name is Joy once again, and I bring you the best of properties in Lagos State. And this house again is going for 950 million naira. That's the asking price, okay? So if you love it, call right away. Let's help you seal it up.